Hi, I'm Jim Zeringer, the Director of the Ohio Department of Natural Resources. Today we're paddling down to Scioto Brush Creek, heading toward our nature preserve. You ready? Boy, it doesn't get much more peaceful than this, does it? Yeah. Did you see that fish? We just finished up a nice float down the Scioto Brush Creek, and it was a wonderful day. Caught a nice smallmouth, and it's just a nice little treasure we have here in the southern part of the state. So I encourage everyone, if you'd like to find out more about where these wonderful streams are, go to OhioDNR.gov.